Have you ever felt trapped in a whirlwind of confusion and pain, wondering how to escape the clutches of narcissistic abuse? If so, you're not alone. Today, we're taking a thrilling journey together, a complete guide to healing from the emotional chaos of narcissistic abuse. Narcissistic abuse can leave deep scars, affecting your self-esteem, relationships, and overall mental health. But fear not. Healing is not only possible, but it can also be empowering and transformative. So, let's dive right in. First, acknowledge the pain. It's crucial to recognize the emotional toll that narcissistic relationships take on you. Validate your feelings. Anger, sadness, and frustration are all normal responses. Remember, you're not the problem. The abusive behavior of the narcissist is what caused this turmoil. Next, educate yourself about narcissism. Understanding the traits and tactics of narcissistic individuals can provide clarity. Knowledge is power, and it's essential to arm yourself with information about manipulation, gaslighting, and emotional abuse. By recognizing these patterns, you can begin to disentangle yourself from the confusion and reclaim your reality. Now, let's talk about boundaries. Establishing healthy boundaries is a critical step in your healing journey. Learn to say no, prioritize your needs, and remove toxic influences from your life. Boundaries protect your emotional well-being and create safe spaces for recovery. Self-care is another vital aspect of the healing process. This isn't just about pampering yourself, it's about nurturing your emotional and mental health. Engage in activities that bring you joy, whether it's journaling, painting, or spending time in nature. Remember, the road to healing is also about rediscovering your passions. Connecting with a support system can make a world of difference. Surround yourself with empathetic friends, family, or support groups who understand your struggles. Sharing your experiences can lighten the burden and remind you that you're not alone in this fight. Finally, give yourself time. Healing is not linear, it's a journey. Celebrate small victories and be patient with yourself. It's okay to seek professional help if you need it. Therapy can provide valuable tools and insights as you navigate this path towards healing. Thank you for joining us on this journey of self-discovery and recovery from narcissistic abuse. We hope this guide empowers you to step into a brighter, healthier future. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, Narcissistic Man, etc., for more insightful content. Remember, healing is not just a destination, it's a thrilling adventure.